Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to log in live Line app with email. So first thing you have to do, you have to open up the app, and once you open up the app, you're going to click on login. Once you log in, you can see main device or sub device. Click on main device, click on OK. Once you do that, they're going to ask you how do you want to log in. You can decide with login QR code or login with another method. So you click on login with another method, click on continue with Google, and click on continue with Google again, and you're going to bring out all your Gmail account. You're going to pick on the one you have already. So once you click on that, you're going to click on login again, and you wait for it to load up. So it's going to take a little while, just for a few seconds, and they're going to tell you to select your Google account again. Okay, you can click on allow and just click on the account again, and it's going to load up. So you can see, click on continue. Oh my god, they said I don't have any backup, so I'm just going to skip this step and click on continue. So if you actually have a backup, they're going to actually show you the backup. That's the essence of all those verification I just did. Okay, and this is my account. So you can just choose to allow notification and also allow, and you can see I've logged in into my Line app using my email account. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.